Hey people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial, we shall be looking at how to turn on professional mode on Facebook. Yes, this time we shall be looking at how to face Facebook professional mode option not showing and also how to turn it on. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not root to device, and also this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now, before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now, without wasting much time, let's get started. Now, in the first place, all you need to do is to open your App Store, your Play Store. Now, once you open your App Store, your Play Store, all you need to do is to just search for Facebook. Now, update your Facebook application to the latest version. So if your Facebook is not updated, you need to make sure it is updated to the latest version. Now, once you have updated your Facebook application to the latest version, all you need to do is to just go back and then open your Facebook. Now, once you open your Facebook, click on your profile over here. And once you click on your profile, you can see this 3 dots over here. Click on that, and once you click on that, you can see turn on professional mode. Click on this option, and once you click on turn on professional mode, you can see this option. Click on turn on, and then now your professional mode is on. So you can see review audience settings over here. So now with this, you have turned on your professional mode, and you can get all the professional mode features on your Facebook profile or your Facebook account. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video